Welcome to the LocalWell YouTube channel. Today, we are going to demonstrate the process of entering customer orders into the LocalWell application and subsequently generating a bill for those orders. Let's get started. Frequently, customers might ask for medicines at your store which might be out of stock or not available at the moment. Often, pharmacists jot down orders on paper and collect a deposit. However, recording orders for 10 or 15 more customers this way becomes troublesome, as each must be individually entered into the software later. This process, requiring manual notation and software entry, doubles the time needed. But in LocalWell you can add customer orders directly to the app. So for that, first open the LocalWell app and then press Ctrl-Alt-O on your keyboard. After that, the customer orders section will open. First, enter your customer's name here. Then, look for and add the required products. After adding them, hit F2 to save the order. If it's paid, mark it as cash paid. If not, label it as unpaid or credit. Then, press F2 to proceed. So in this way you have added the customer order directly to the LocalWell app in just a few second lines. To view the order, select the fourth option on the left, Customer Orders. Here, you'll learn the order's status and its readiness for billing. The current order status is accepted and completely prepared. It's ready because we have the requested medicine in stock, though typically, we only proceed with creating the customer order when this is done because the medicines are unavailable at the moment, indicating a 0% order status due to stock shortages. Adding a product purchase in LocalWell immediately updates the order status from 0 to fully ready. Our order is ready, so we can now generate its bill. Click on the order and at the top right, you'll see the second option, Add Cell Bill. Press F2 and after that, we're in the cell section. To create the bill on the right, the last option is Save. Press Alt-S, assuming the customer has paid us just now. And continue by pressing F2. After that, select the payment mode and press F2 again and save. So see, in this way you have finally generated the bill for the customer's order. Now if you want, you can share this bill on WhatsApp or SMS as well. In this way you can easily add customer orders to the LocalWell app. Subscribe to the LocalWell YouTube channel for similar informative videos. Like the video and drop your feedback in the comment section. If you need any help related to LocalWell, then you can directly WhatsApp us. Thank you.